today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate English to Portuguese with DeepL. DeepL is a powerful translation tool known for its accuracy and natural-sounding results, and the process is quick and straightforward. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be confidently turning English text into clear Portuguese in just a few moments. First, open your web browser and go to the official DeepL website. You'll see two main text areas side by side. The box on the left is where you enter your original text, and the box on the right is where the translation will appear. Above each box, there's a language selector. On the left side, click the language menu and choose English. Even if DeepL sometimes detects your language automatically, explicitly selecting English helps ensure the tool understands your source correctly, especially if your text includes technical terms or mixed language content. Next, on the right side, open the language menu and choose Portuguese. Depending on your version of DeepL, you may see an option to pick a region, such as Portuguese for Brazil or for Portugal. If that's available, select the variant that best matches your audience. If you only see one Portuguese option, that's fine too. DeepL will still produce an excellent translation. Now paste or type your English text into the left box. You can insert a short sentence, a paragraph, or a longer piece of content. As you type or paste, DeepL will begin working immediately. If you're preparing sensitive content, consider removing personal or confidential details before pasting, just to keep your information safe. You'll see the Portuguese translation appear instantly on the right. One of the strengths of DeepL is that it updates in real time. If something doesn't look quite right, tweak the original English wording on the left, simplify a sentence, clarify a pronoun, or add a bit more context, and watch the translation refine itself. This small adjustment often leads to a more precise result. Take a moment to read through the Portuguese output for tone and clarity. Names, numbers, and brand terms typically remain unchanged, but it's still a good idea to verify them. If your text includes idioms or very domain-specific expressions, you might adjust the English slightly and let DeepL try again for a more natural Portuguese phrasing. And that's it. Go to DeepL, set English on the left and Portuguese on the right, enter your English text, and see the Portuguese translation appear instantly. With these simple steps and a bit of fine-tuning, you'll get high-quality translations in seconds.